Apple is once again poised to shake up the professional laptop market with the upcoming MacBook Pro powered by the M5 chip, expected to arrive toward the end of 2025. This next-gen machine builds on the success of its predecessors, promising improved performance, more powerful graphics, longer battery life, and enhanced AI capabilities, all packaged in a familiar, refined design. The overall look of the new MacBook Pro is expected to stay true to the design language introduced in 2021. Rather than a radical overhaul, Apple is rumored to be making subtle enhancements, such as introducing sleek new finishes like midnight blue or titanium gray. These changes aim to offer a sense of freshness while maintaining the premium, minimalist style that users have come to expect. At the heart of the update is the M5 chip, developed using TSMC's 3nm process. This advancement allows for significant gains in speed and energy efficiency. Early reports suggest up to a 25% increase in performance over the M4, resulting in faster app loading, smoother multitasking, and more fluid operation across professional workloads. The M5's CPU is said to feature a 10-core layout with a combination of 6 efficiency cores and 4 high-performance cores. This setup is designed to strike a balance between long-lasting battery life and powerful processing for tasks like video rendering, software development, or running simulations. Improvements in thermal management and clock speed tuning are expected to help keep the laptop both cool and quiet under pressure. Graphics performance is also expected to take a leap forward. A GPU with at least 12 cores could deliver around 40% better graphics capabilities than the previous generation. This makes the M5 MacBook Pro particularly appealing to users in fields like 3D design, animation, visual effects, and even gaming. Rumors also suggest that the chip will include hardware-based ray tracing, offering more realistic lighting and visual detail in creative apps and supported games. In addition to CPU and GPU enhancements, Apple is heavily investing in AI. The M5's neural engine is expected to see a 50% boost in processing power, enabling quicker voice recognition, smarter photo editing, real-time transcriptions, and smoother performance across Apple's AI-powered software. As AI features become more integrated into daily workflows, this improvement could lead to a noticeable jump in productivity. Battery life long, one of the MacBook Pro's standout features, is anticipated to break new records. With the M5's energy-efficient architecture, users may see up to 24 hours of usage on a single charge, making the device an ideal companion for long workdays, travel, and creative marathons. However, those hoping for an OLED display will likely have to wait. Supply chain limitations suggest Apple will stick with its current Mini LED Liquid Retina XDR displays for now, with OLED upgrades more likely to arrive in 2026. Despite this, current display technology still offers excellent brightness, color precision, and contrast, especially valued by content creators and designers. Connectivity is also expected to get a boost. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 could offer faster, more stable connections, while the adoption of Thunderbolt 5 would support speedier data transfers and more advanced accessories, like high-end external GPUs and displays. In terms of pricing, the entry-level 14-inch model will likely maintain its current starting point of around $1,599 unless Apple debuts an OLED variant or new chassis, which might raise the price by $100 to $200. Even with a slight price increase, the combination of performance and longevity could make it a compelling option. For those considering whether to buy now or wait, the decision depends on your needs. The current M4 MacBook Pro is already a high-performance machine that will meet most professional demands. But for users seeking cutting-edge AI features, extended battery life, and top-tier graphics, the M5 version may be the better long-term investment. In all, the M5 MacBook Pro looks set to deliver meaningful upgrades while maintaining Apple's high standards for design and performance. Though the outside may look familiar, the advancements inside suggest it will be one of the most capable and future-ready laptops Apple has ever built. Expectations are high, and if the rumors hold true, this could be a standout release in Apple's MacBook Pro lineup.